If-else in real-life examples. Beginner level. Introduction. One of the most important concepts in programming is decision-making. Programs often need to make decisions based on conditions. For example, if a user enters the correct password means allow login. If a number is greater than 10 means display a message. If a player loses all lives means end the game. Programming languages use if-else statements to make these decisions. The if-else statement allows a program to choose between different actions depending on whether a condition is true or false. Understanding if-else statements helps beginners learn how programs behave intelligently based on conditions. What is an if-else statement? An if-else statement is used to execute different code depending on whether a condition is true or false. In simple words, if-else equals a way for programs to make decisions. Structure. If condition is true means do something. Else means do something else. Simple example. Python. Example. Age equals 18. If age greater than equals 18. Print. You can vote. Else. Print. You are too young to vote. Output. You can vote. The program checks the condition age greater than equals 18. If true means prints one message. If false means prints another message. Real-life example 1. Traffic lights. Traffic lights work like if-else logic. If light is green means cars can go. Else if light is yellow means slow down. Else means stop. Programming version. Light equals red. If light equals green. Print. Go. If light equals yellow. Print. Slow down. Else. Print. Stop. Programs often mimic real-world decision systems. Real-life example 2. Weather decision. Imagine deciding whether to carry an umbrella. If it is raining means take umbrella. Else means do not take umbrella. Example. Raining equals true. If raining. Print. Take an umbrella. Else. Print. Enjoy the weather. Real-life example 3. Exam result. Schools decide results using conditions. If score greater than equals 50 means pass. Else means fail. Example. Score equals 45. If score greater than equals 50. Print. Pass. Else. Print. Fail. Real-life example 4. Login system. A login system checks passwords. If password is correct means login. Else means show error. Example. Password equals 1234. If password equals 1234. Print. Login successful. Else. Print. Incorrect password. This is a common use of if-else in real applications. Real-life example 5. Online shopping discount. Stores sometimes offer discounts. If purchase greater than $100 means give discount. Else means no discount. Example. Total equals 120. If total greater than 100. Print. Discount applied. Else. Print. No discount. Real-life example 6. Game logic. Video games use if-else logic frequently. If player health equals 0 means game over. Else means continue playing. Example. Health equals 0. If health equals 0. Print. Game over. Else. Print. Keep playing. Understanding if, else if, and else. Programs often need multiple conditions. Example structure. If condition 1. Action 1. If condition 2. Action 2. Else. Action 3. Example. Temperature equals 30. If temperature greater than 35. Print. Very hot. If temperature greater than 25. Print. Warm weather. Else. Print. Cool weather. Why if-else is important. If-else statements allow programs to make decisions, control program flow, respond to user input, handle different situations. Without decision-making logic, programs would always do the same thing every time. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often make mistakes such as cross mark forgetting indentation. If age greater than equals 18. Print. Adult. Correct. If age greater than equals 18. Print. Adult. Cross mark using incorrect comparison operators. If age equals 18. Correct. If age equals 18. Real-life analogy. If-else statements are like choosing what to wear depending on the weather. Example. If it is cold means wear a jacket. Else means wear a t-shirt. Your brain makes decisions using the same logic programs use. Concepts learned from if-else. Understanding if-else statements helps beginners learn. Checkmark decision making. Checkmark logical conditions. Checkmark program control flow. Checkmark user interaction. These concepts are fundamental in programming. Where if-else is used. If-else statements are used in almost every type of program, including games, mobile apps, web applications, banking systems, AI systems, robotics. Every intelligent program uses conditional logic. Simple definition. If-else statement. A programming structure that allows a program to make decisions based on conditions. Final summary. If-else statements allow programs to make decisions just like humans do in real life. They check conditions and choose different actions depending on the result. Programs use if-else logic for user authentication, game rules, data validation, business decisions. Learning if-else statements is an important step toward understanding how programs behave intelligently.